Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Shift the State. Today, we're taking a nice little ride down Rough and Mill Road, also known as State Road. Fun little road, but if you're not careful, it will hem you up. And not in a good way. So, it's actually, it's not that you want to go like super fast on. It's actually just a small little road with some nice little curves in it. Hence the name, Snake Road. And like this part right here is actually pretty sketch too, because if you're in a vehicle or a car, it's really narrow. And, but most likely be alright. So this road is fun. It's nice to come down on and throw it around a little bit, but it's also scary because it's like a little small back road and it's got a lot of dirt on some spots. And there's also cars that don't know how to take these corners up here, and they'll come across that little yellow line right there. Not fun. I actually need to take my bike up in the mountains, especially with fall coming, but you know, just being on a Sportster, the gas range is kind of limited. So I really gotta plan it out, make sure there's some gas stations up that way so I could go make that trip. I think it'd be kind of fun. I don't know, what do you think? You want to see me do some mountain rides? But so with these twisty roads, I actually just got done watching this video before I left the house, now that I think about it. Just got done watching this video. It was Zach Nation. So this guy is the guy, I'm sure a lot of you have seen the video. It's the guy, he was on a Harley, I believe he was on a Dyna, and the sports bike guy was kind of chasing him down, and this dude was just like killing it in the corners. And the sports bike is like right behind him the whole time, like watching him. As he comes around this one corner, like his back tire just starts sliding, but dude held it like a champ. And I mean, he was rolling. And I watched one video, that video, and then it led me into another video where he was being interviewed and everything. And he was just saying how that day he actually didn't even want to go riding, but his friend said, hey, let's go ride. And they ended up coming across these sports bike guys, and I mean, it all just kind of took off from there. And he's actually said he's gotten sponsored and everything, like Legend Suspension, I believe, sponsored him. He's had some other sponsors come out, and he got involved in doing track days because I guess somebody mentioned to him, like, hey, you ever thought like taking your bike out there to track day? He goes, no. But he said he took it out there, man, he was ripping it. And you know, these sport bike guys, they were really impressed. And I agree with this statement he was making. Like, he was talking and he was saying the cool thing about riding a Harley out there on the track day is, you know, you take a Ferrari or something out there to the track day, you're only using 65-75% of the vehicle's, you know, potential. Yeah, I mean, you can only push it, you know, because he said because of our human capabilities, I mean, we can only push this car so far, but it's got so much potential. He said same thing with the sports bikes. The sports bikes has so much potential that these guys are probably only really using about 80%, 75-80% of the potential of the bike. Whereas a Harley, not knocking Harleys because, you know, I'm a Harley guy, but whereas on a Harley, you're getting out there and you're pushing this thing to the breaking point. How much can this thing handle? Push, 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 and I mean, you're just going full throttle, taking like this machine and just pushing it to the breaking point. And I think it's pretty cool. We have a circuit track in Southern Virginia, I forget the name of it, but a lot of people go out there and they do track days on their sports bikes and stuff. But I was thinking it'd be kind of cool if I had the money to do so, to take the Roadster out there and kind of see what this thing has, you know? You know, or not even what this machine has itself, but you know, what can I do? What can I do on this machine? I feel I've had this since 2017, and I feel pretty confident about it. So, or confidence in myself with the machine, I feel comfortable. So I'd be curious to see what I could go out there and do. But yeah, that's kind of what's on my mind today. Yeah, just see what I can do to push this, and like, you know, the performance end of it. You know, what can I do to the bike to make it faster, handle better, you know. And then I know I could do to myself to make me a better rider is lose some weight. I can tell you that. He liked my bike. Or he probably says, too damn loud. Anyways, so that's kind of what I wanted to cover today. Just going through the little twisties, having some fun, enjoying the day. Sorry these cars got in front of me and kind of slowed me down a little bit. I promise you I'm a little bit faster than that. But no, thank you guys for watching, and I just want to say again, like I always do, I appreciate each and every one of you guys who hit that subscribe button, you know, subscribing to my channel, watching my content. And you know, I see the ones that are actually watching, the ones that comment. I like it when you guys give me feedback about stuff. I like hearing from y'all, you know, like you should do this or that, yeah, you know, that kind of stuff. So that's pretty cool. And I just want to say I appreciate y'all. Hit that notification bell. Y'all be riding safe out there, and put some nice leathers on, stay warm, ride safe. Catch y'all next time.